Welcome to English Talk RJ. My name is Johnny, and today I'm going to take you on a fun, friendly, and powerful journey. A journey where you will learn how to improve your English accent in just 1 week. I want you to imagine something with me. Imagine you walk into a room full of people speaking English. You open your mouth to speak, and your voice comes out clear, confident, smooth, just like you always wanted. People understand you instantly. They smile, they listen. Feels good, right? That's exactly what this 1-hour lesson is going to help you achieve. So sit comfortably, take a deep breath, and let's begin our accent story. As we start, I want you to think of English not just as a language, but as a sound, a flow, a rhythm, just like a song. Every accent has its own music, and today we're learning the music of English. Take a slow breath with me. Inhale, exhale. Wonderful. Your voice is your instrument, and we're warming it up. Now, gently stretch your mouth, like this. Ah, ee, ooh. You might feel funny, but trust me, every great speaker does it. Now softly tap your tongue. La la la. Ta ta ta, ka ka ka. Beautiful. Your voice is waking up. As the minutes roll by, I want you to listen to English the way you listen to the beat of a song. English has stress. It has up and down. It has pauses.
Say this with me. I want to learn English. Notice how some words are stronger? That's the magic. Now, try another one. She is going to work. Feel the rise and fall like a wave. Keep riding that wave. Now, let me tell you a short story. A student once came to me and said, "Johnny, people don't understand my English. I say the right words, but they always ask me to repeat." I asked her to say the word, "thank you." She said, "Tank you." Ah, the famous TH problem. So, let's fix this together. Gently put your tongue between your teeth. Soft air. Thin. Thank you. Relax. Try again. There you go. This one sound alone will make your accent twice as clear. Now, another friend had trouble with the English R. He used to roll it like rain. But English R is soft, pulled back. Say it with me. Red. Run. Rain. Smooth, not sharp. Lovely. And then there's the V and W confusion. Many learners mix them up. V is teeth touching lip. W is round lips. Repeat after me. very, water. Now separate. V, W, V, W. You're doing great. By now, we're nearly halfway through our story, and your voice is getting stronger. But now, I want you to imagine a conversation. Pretend we're walking in a calm park. Fresh breeze, birds chirping, and you're practicing English with me. I say, "Good morning. How are you today?" You reply, "I'm doing great, Johnny. I'm improving my accent." Nice. Then I ask, "What did you learn today?" You say, "I learned the music of English, the stress, the rhythm, the TH sound, the R sound." Wonderful! This imaginary conversation is actually training your brain. Now, let's do something even more powerful. Something actors and radio hosts do. Shadowing. Just listen to me and copy the emotion, tone, and speed. I didn't expect that. Again. Excellent. Can you tell me more? Smooth. Perfect. That sounds interesting. Great flow. Shadowing changes your accent faster than any other method. Let me share another little story. A man once came to me and said, "Johnny, I practice English every day, but my accent never changes." I asked him, "How do you practice?" He said, "I speak for 1 minute, then stop." I smiled and said, "That's the problem. You need to speak without stopping." So right now, for a moment, pretend you're giving a speech. I want to improve. I want to sound clear. I want people to understand me, and I'm getting better every single day. See? You just spoke beautifully. Now we reach the last stretch of our hour. Let me give you a simple 1-week plan, storytelling style. Picture this. Day 1. You wake up, stretch your mouth, and practice TH sounds. Day 2. You talk to yourself while making breakfast, stressing the right words. Day 3. You walk outside, repeating R, V, W sounds. Day 4. You listen to a short English clip and copy it like a shadow. Day 5. You record your voice and smile because you sound better. Day 6. You have a tiny English conversation with a friend or even with yourself. Day 7. You speak for 5 minutes non-stop and realize you've changed. By the end of the week, your accent will not be perfect, but it will be clearer, smoother, and more confident.
That's all we need. Progress, not perfection. And now, our final moments together. My friends, thank you for joining me in this beautiful 10-minute journey. Remember, English is not about sounding American or British. It's about sounding like the best version of you. Clear, confident, and natural. If you enjoyed learning with me today, don't forget to subscribe to English Talk RJ. Like this video and comment below. I'm ready to improve my accent. I'll see you in the next lesson. Take care, keep practicing, and remember, your voice matters.